Hello everyone, this is Mario from Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a bit of work as we had to literally disassemble the entire door. Everything from inside had to be completely removed. Let me make some space and move this machine to the side. Okay, so now that we have the door open, all these parts had to be completely removed. We had to replace this, everything that's inside in here. I have all the pieces right here. All these pieces that you see right here, they go into this side of the machine. The inner spout as well, everything that goes into here got replaced. New gaskets, we had to literally rebuild the entire thing. This one completely broken. This is a brand new one. Slides nice and easy, nice and does not leak. So, we also had to replace the sensor of the machine, as this one got damaged by the leaking door that was here. So yeah, that's what we did with this machine. That's the only thing we did, nothing else. We just rebuilt the door, and we're gonna be testing this machine with a cappuccino, hot water, and espresso. So starting with one cappuccino, I'm gonna rotate everything. Sensor, as you can see inside, definitely works. It detected the carafe. And now we're gonna add some coffee. Alright, perfect. Now we got some coffee inside the hopper. We're gonna be testing now the machine. As you can see, the sensor definitely works. Now that we have coffee, the machine detected how much coffee was grinded into the brew unit, and now it should be brewing. Now the thermoblock on the side needs to heat up, and then the water pump will start pushing water, siphoning the water coming out from the carafe. You will see this nice steady stream. Fortunately, we don't have any milk or anything, but this is exactly what you want to see. You're just pulling water from the carafe. Gonna stop it. I don't want this cup to overfill. The machine will do its rinsing cycle, and then it will start brewing the shot. It does a little bit of pre-infusion. The valve opens up, and then it does extraction. These right here can be used to increase the crema, whether you want more or less. And we have a nice shot of espresso coming out from this machine. Really, really good color and good crema. Now we're testing the hot water, which is this side of the machine. A previous steamer one was completely broken. This one, as you can see, working great. We're gonna stop it and now use the steamer function. And now the machine needs to get up to temperature and start pushing steam through the one. Once the machine reaches the optimal temperature, as you see right here, the valves that are located on this side of the machine will start opening up. Water pump will start pushing water through the entire system, and then we will see that nice steady steam coming out from the one. Those are the valves opening. That is the water pump pushing water and steam through the system, and now we're getting a nice steam coming out from this machine. Excellent pressure. Working perfectly fine. Working great. So there you have it. Gaggia Accademia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.